Yo crypto fam, ready to turn your free time into free money from snacking the easiest airdrop of the month. Today I have got something for you. Welcome back to my channel where we turn time into wealth. I'm Raj and in this video I'll show you step by step how to join, what exact tools you need and how to claim the maximum airdrop like a professional. If you are serious about making money from crypto, then smash that like, hit that subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss a drop. Here, don't forget to join our Telegram channel for instant updates, secret drops and exclusive guides. Alright, enough talking. Let's farm some free token together. Let's begin. Airdrop is from T-Rex. T-Rex is a blockchain ecosystem designed for consumer-facing application focusing on entertainment and content. It rewards user for social media engagement using proof of engagement mechanism. Basically, it works on the social media engagement mechanism. It has already raised $17 million from the market. Some of the big investors are Framework Venture, Hypersphere Venture, NG Holding, Arc Stream Capitals, etc. Leave all the links in the description. Click on the link, join my Telegram channel where you will find all the airdrop links. In the first link of T-Rex airdrop, you will get a waitlist option. Just click on join waitlist. They haven't launched their airdrop yet. They will launch their testnet airdrop in few days, so they are raising waitlist. Just join the waitlist so you can get the early access. I will update everything on my Telegram channel. Just fill your name here. After that, click on continue. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to their website. Here you will find to register you as a content creator for Rexy. Here you just need to put your name. I simply put my name, your contact email. I put my contact email. I have filled the full form. Here you can see that. Just register you as a content creator. Give your social media URLs like I give my Telegram channel, Twitter page and also my YouTube channel. Then I select video, which type of content you create. Then why are you interested for the creator program. Everything you can mark it and then click on submit. After that, your application will be received. If you are selected, then you will get an email. After that, I will provide a Discord server link where you have to get a role for that. When you click on the link, you will be redirected to their website. After that, you will get this type of option where just go to the event announcement server. Then the participant requirements are reach level 7 by actively engaging in general chat. Link your Twitter account to Discord setting. Then you have to just grab the template. You have to do all the tasks here. Fill your Discord name, then share on Twitter. Also, when you have shared on Twitter, just tag T-Rex chain and your and the friend you write on the postcard. You just do all the tasks. There are some kind of rule generated or plagiarized contents. Just do this and you will be joined to their website or to their airdrop and you will get a role for that. This second airdrop is from aPriori. They have already raised $10 million from the market. Some of the big investors, Panthera Capital, YZ Labs and Consensus, OKX Ventures, Hashed. I'll drop the link in my Telegram channel. Just join my Telegram channel where you'll find the second airdrop link. I will provide you 2 faucet link. Just join any of that. After that, click connect your MetaMask. It's a Monad-based testnet project, so just connect your MetaMask or any other Web3 wallet. Try to use EVM wallets. I simply connect my MetaMask. I will provide you a faucet link. When you click on the link, you just need to get some faucet. For now, it is showing different type of issues, but when it will be okay, just collect some of the Monad faucet. Just add some of the Monad and stake a small amount of Monad, like 5 to 6 Monad, and give it a stake and you would be done. Then I will provide another link of a website. Just come to this website, just sign in with your MetaMask wallet. After that, click on check-in. For this you need Monad testnet token. I don't have the token because the faucet is showing different type of issue. I will give you 5 to 6 faucet link. So whenever you get the faucet, just click on check-in and verify the transaction. When you come to the progress option, you will get different type of option. Add 1 wallet, add 3 wallet, connect your Twitter account and a lot of tasks. Just do all the tasks. They are very simple social tasks. Just do them and you would be done for this airdrop. And this is the second airdrop. We'll share another third airdrop just when you click on the link. The third airdrop is from Euphoria. They have already raised for $7.5 million. Some of their big investors is Atiago R, Robot Venture, Figment Capitals, Karatage, and etc. They haven't launched their airdrop yet. For this, just join their waitlist so you can get early access. Just submit your email, click on submit. You would be join that waitlist. Already you can see that already 657,000 users has already joined the waitlist. So it has a huge potential that they will give a huge benefit. Just copy your referral link and share it with your friend. This is for today. I hope that you have find the video very informative. If you like this video, click on like. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe this channel, and also don't forget to ring that bell icon so you don't forget any type of airdrop. Also join my Telegram channel where you'll find all the airdrop updates, how to join them, and not only this, I'm giving you free airdrop, free buying signal, spot buying signal, future buying signal. Not only this, I'm also giving free meme coin signals. In my previous channel that has been hacked, so in my new channel you just must join that, where I will share every type of thing for a trader, how to be a trader from 0 to 100 and how to make thousands of dollar profit. How I make that I will share in my Telegram channel, so don't forget to join my Telegram channel. I'm Raj signing off.